Welcome to AI Made AI, your ultimate destination for the latest tech trends, mind-blowing AI concepts, future-ready smartphones and gadgets, and fascinating tech news. I'm thrilled to present our very first video on this exciting channel. If you enjoy what you see, please support us by liking this video, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to our channel. Your support means the world to us, and it motivates us to bring you more incredible content. Now let's start to our topic. Welcome to AI World, where we explore some of the most fascinating AI technologies of today. AI has come a long way, and we have only scratched the surface when it comes to realizing its full potential. In this video, you will learn about some of the most cutting-edge AI technologies and how they are changing the world around us. Mind-blowing AI technologies. 1. Robotics. Robotics is an ever-evolving field that has a wide range of applications, from industrial machines to personal assistants. But what makes robotics exciting is the integration of AI with robotics, enabling machines to perform human-like tasks. For example, Boston Dynamics robot, Atlas, is a humanoid robot that can perform backflips, run, and even navigate rough terrain with ease. This is just one example of how robotics and AI work together to create machines that can do things that were once only possible in sci-fi. 2. Machine learning. Machine learning is another exciting area of AI that involves teaching computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. The technology is now being used in various applications, such as fraud detection, image recognition, and personalized recommendations. For example, Spotify's Discover Weekly feature is powered by machine learning algorithms that generate personalized playlists for millions of users every week, all based on each user's listening history and behavior. 3. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is an AI technology that uses data, statistical algorithms, and machine learning techniques to identify the likelihood of future outcomes based on historical data. The technology has already proven effective in a range of applications, such as fraud detection, customer lifetime value prediction, and predictive maintenance. For example, IBM's Watson predictive analytics software is used in the healthcare industry to improve patient outcomes by predicting future health risks and identifying the best treatment options for each patient. 4. Computer vision. Computer vision is a subfield of AI that focuses on enabling machines to interpret and understand visual information from the world around them. The technology is already being used in various fields, such as autonomous vehicles, facial recognition, and quality control inspection. For example, Amazon's Go stores use computer vision technology to enable customers to pick up items and walk out of the store without having to wait in line to pay. In conclusion, the realm of AI is unfolding before our eyes, reshaping our world in unimaginable ways. From robotics and machine learning to predictive analytics and computer vision, these mind-blowing technologies are just the beginning. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more exciting AI content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot to us as we continue to explore the frontiers of technology. And remember, if you like our content and want to stay updated with the latest tech trends, mind-blowing AI concepts, future-ready smartphones and gadgets, and captivating tech news, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our future videos packed with valuable insights and practical examples. We're dedicated to bringing you the most engaging and informative tech-related content, and your support empowers us to continue creating high-quality videos. If there's a specific topic or concept you'd like us to explore in our upcoming videos, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to cater to your interests and provide you with the content you love. Once again, thank you for joining us on this incredible tech journey. Together, let's embrace the future and unlock the endless possibilities of AI. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing content coming your way. Until next time.